Hello, hope you're fine. Today, we're going to learn about something which is, very common, and its use is very common. But there are still certain things which need to be clarified, and it's all about the use of B, as you can see here. B, use of B, and it has different forms. Is, am, are, was, were. These are all the forms of be. Okay. Now the question is when and where to use be. किस चीज के साथ हम be का यूज करें. ओके. क्या हम be का यूज सही करते हैं, इसका इस्तेमाल सही करते हैं. Now these are certain things. Now the question is where to use be. Actually, we use be to talk about experiencing the things like hunger, experiencing thirst. It is used to talk about experiencing heat, cold, or some other physical conditions. Okay. And another important thing about the use of be is the structure. What will be the structure in that sentence? And we, as I have written here on the board, that it is the structure will be be plus adjective. Be plus adjective. Like I have written here, be thirsty, be hungry, be hot, be cold. These are all physical conditions. All physical conditions. So, whenever you have to say that you feel thirst, you feel hunger, you cannot say that I have hunger. You cannot use have and plus noun. Hunger is noun. Okay, thirst is noun. You cannot say I feel, I have thirst, I have hunger. No, that is wrong. Though we use them, but that is not correct. Okay, you have to use be plus adjective of that hunger. You have to use be plus adjective of that thirst. Okay. You have to use be plus adjective of that hot, adjective of cold. Okay. Then be thirsty. Okay, thirsty is adjective. Now if I have to say that I have that thirst, I feel thirsty, we can say I am thirsty, he is thirsty. As I said, am, is, are, these are all forms of be. Okay, I am thirsty, he is thirsty. Or you can also say feel plus same words. He feels thirsty, he feels hungry, he feels that the tea is hot, like that. Okay, he is thirsty. Okay, he is hungry. Yeah, they are hungry. He was hungry. ये सब is, am, are, was, were आप इनके साथ लगा सकते हैं. As you can see, आप देख सकते हैं कि ये physical conditions हैं. Okay, इन चीजों को जब हम experience करते हैं, hunger, thirst, hotness of something, or cold, we can use be. Be hot. The tea is very hot, or the tea was very hot. Be cold. Okay, इसी तरह से हम be cold का यूज भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, इसके अलावा ये तो physical कुछ conditions थी. These are physical conditions which I was talking about. लेकिन इसके अलावा भी कुछ और चीजों के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं, like age, to express the age, to talk about the age, to talk about height, to talk about weight, size, length, then shape and color. इन सब चीजों के बारे में उनको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए भी हम be का यूज कर सकते हैं. Like मैंने कुछ एग्जांपल्स भी यहाँ पर लिखी हुई है. Examples are, मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा the man is 6 feet tall. The man is 6 feet tall. The man is 6 feet tall. Now this is the form of be. ये be है. The man is 6 feet tall. The man have 6 feet tall. Okay, no, that is wrong. The man has 6 feet tall. That is wrong. Okay, have has का यूज आप यहाँ पर नहीं करेंगे. You have to use this be. The man is 6 feet tall. Or if you have to talk about the past, the man was 6 feet tall. Okay, आप इस तरह से बात कर सकते हैं. Then so it was about the height. Height, as I said, height. Then the stick is 3 meter. The stick is 3 feet long. The stick is 3 feet long. Talking about the length. Length को express करने के लिए हम be का use करेंगे. The stick is 3 feet long. Question यही है कि is, am, are, was, were हम कहाँ पर use कर सकते हैं. एक तो tenses की बात है. That is different. That is different. वहाँ verbs के साथ ये use होता है. लेकिन उन verbs के अलावा ये कहाँ use होता है. Okay, to talk about the length. The stick is 3 feet long. हम यहाँ पर length की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. What color are your eyes? What color are your eyes? Talking about color. वहाँ लिखा है color को express करने के लिए. What color are your eyes? What color are your eyes? This are is the form of be. Then we have what size are your shoes? Talking about the size. The size. What size are your shoes? आपके shoes का size क्या है? Okay. What color are your shoes? Then he is nearly 20. Talking about the age. He is nearly 20. Is. I am nearly 20. I am nearly 30 or 40 or 50. जो कुछ भी आप कह सकते हैं. Am is also the form of be. Okay, आप am का use भी कर सकते हैं. He is nearly 30. Okay, talking about the age. My weight is 70 kilos. My weight is, talking about the weight. My weight is, my color is, my size is, my height is, the length is. इन सब के साथ. In some, the shape is. Okay, the shape is round. The color is red. Is. Okay, the size is big. The weight is normal. The height is very much. The age is this or that. तो हमने हर किसी के साथ be की forms का use किया है. और मैंने पहले भी कहा that be जो है आप इनको verb के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके अलावा जो आपने टेंसेस में पढ़ा, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस में यूज होता है. ही इज प्लेइंग, आई विल बी प्लेइंग. यहां पर इज, एम, आर वर्ब की फॉर्म्स के साथ आता है, वर्ब्स के साथ यूज होता है. बट हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सर्टेन अदर थिंग्स, फिजिकल कंडीशंस, और उसके अलावा कुछ और चीजें हैं जो मैंने मेंशन की हैं कि इज, एम, आर, वाज, वर आप कहां पर लगाएंगे, बी को आप कहां पर यूज कर सकते हैं, बी की फॉर्म्स को आप कहां पर यूज कर सकते हैं. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू इन एट द वेरी बिगिनिंग ऑफ दिस वीडियो दैट इट इज यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट एक्सपीरियंसिंग these physical conditions like hunger, thirst, hotness, cold, all these things. So this was all about be. How, when and where to use be. बड़ी कॉमन सी चीज़ है, बड़ी छोटी सी चीज़ है, लेकिन अक्सर जो स्पीकर्स होते हैं, अक्सर जो those people who are interested in learning English or speaking or writing English, these are the things which are very important. इनको जानना बहुत important होता है. So this was all about be. कि इसका सही यूज क्या हो सकता है. कीप वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज. अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, डू सब्सक्राइब माई यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश टाइम विद मी, एंड कीप लाइकिंग, कीप शेयरिंग, कीप वॉचिंग, एंड वेयर एवर यू फील दैट देयर इज एनी क्वेरी एंड यू कैन आस्क मी in comment box. Okay, thank you very much, and keep watching my videos. Thank you.